In our earlier recording, we have solved for first order conditions for profit maximization. There were only two endogenous variables, K and L. And when we solved these with partial derivatives, they gave equations which could be solved to get the optimal quantities of inputs. We got P of K equals to R and P of L equals to W. There are some second order conditions that must necessarily hold for the result we will find to one of the profit maximization. We want our second order derivatives should be negative. In case if we take the derivative of these first order conditions again with respect to their respective variables, we get P of K less than 0 and P of LL less than 0. Why? Because FKK is less than 0. FLL is less than 0. FKK shows the diminishing marginal productivity of capital. FLL shows diminishing marginal productivity of labor. When you go on adding more and more labor for a given amount of output, then the addition which it makes to the output, it goes on falling. When you go on adding more and more capital, then the addition which this additional unit of capital makes to the output goes on falling. Okay. What about the cross products? When you get this, you get P square FKK FLL minus F square KL. Or writing it more properly, what you get is P FKK into P FLL minus P square FKL. This must be positive. Well, it shows that there must be diminishing marginal returns to each inputs, and the cross effects of the marginal productivity, it must be dominated by the diminishing marginal returns to each input itself. So what is the cross effects of the marginal productivity, which is F square KL? What are the diminishing marginal returns to each input itself? FKK FLL. What it is trying to say that these diminishing marginal returns to each input, which is FKK FLL, it should dominate FKL. Okay, that is in case if there were not these diminishing marginal returns, then what would happen? Then in that case, profit maximizing firm size could be infinitely large. Okay.